it says record?
Yeah.
So we're going today to learn derivations of agency.
Okay.
And Rabbi Cohen tells us there are 4 places where you can learn out agency. What's number 1?
It says Visholach.
And that's talking about?
Visholach is talking about sending, that you send out. It says Visholach.
Meaning that you're making you're making a shaliach to do kedushin for you.
Right. And then you went out.
So we have 1 by kedushin. What's number 2?
Number 2 is v'yotze v'hais. You make an analogy between kedushin, which is the idea of being mekadesh, v'yotze. I mean, going out. Sorry, I mean,
and
v'yotze bringing
so
in.
you can bring it in also through a shaliach.
And then you have
Gam Hatem for Truma.
By Truma, that the Kohen was the one.
No, Truma is anybody who lives in Eretz Yisrael.
Yeah, I can make you my agent to be tidy my Truma.
What? Because you're a lazy guy.
Yeah, maybe I was traveling abroad and I forgot to.
Fantastic. The Gemara
discusses. And the Talmud Chacham doesn't leave anything, even the day. The story with Abu Gamliel over there. Okay, go ahead. And then you have Kodshim.
Now Kodshim is a limud. Who gave us the limud by Kodshim? Yeshua ben Kocha.
Says V'shach they say
Kol Adas B'nei Yisrael. And his logic is, does every Jew? There's one person shot for all of Israel. That's impossible.
No,
he said it must be that every chabura. You don't have to be a kohen to shot the Korban Pesach.
No, but I'm talking about in Beis Hamikdash. Most of the protocols happen.
Yeah, the Kohanim was the
shluchim of these.
I understand that, but Rabbi Yeshua ben Kocha's raya is by Korban Pesach.
Right. Okay.
Now we have 5 of them. Now, I mean, what's really the Gemara starts off. The last one in the list there is Kodshim. Why can't we learn out everything from Kodshim?
So the Gemara answers because most of the Kohanim were shluchim. Most were shluchim. Kohanim basically were acted as agents for most of the people.
So basically did not attend Rabbi
Heitzberger?
Yeah, because he listed for you 4 things.
4 things, okay.
That by Kodshim you have 4 things that done on the day machshava.
Yeah.
The significance is
you have shchita, kavos adam, you have
and halacha,
and then zika.
That all is done
through the kohen.
Through the kohen.
The Kohen acted as an agent to do all those.
So their agent is prolific,
right?
And the others are just in one instance.
They acted as an agent for the people.
Okay, these are the derivations of agency. And
Kohen,
here we have a principle, and everybody davens here. And the Mishnah is Rabbi Yishmael Omer, the Shlosh Esrei Midos Afer in Reshet. Read number 3. No, number 3.
Number 3 is binyan of mipasek echad ubinyan of mishnei ksuvim.
This is mishnei ksuvim. We're learning out.
Because v'yatzav ha'hoisa.
No, that's 1.
Right. And then
v'yatzav ha'hoisa possibly and kodshim, and we learn out truma from it.
Right.
That's an example of number 3.
And how you know there's 3 daigas in shlichus also. When I make you an agent, there's 3 levels.
Tell us.
Okay, the first one is the actual maisa, the action transmitted back to me when I make you my agent.
Yes.
Or that's the first one. That let's say I give you the opportunity to be tidy for me.
Yes.
To give truma. So is it that you've tidied and the action is as if I've done it?
Yes. Or
the second one is it's like yoda arichta. It's like my hand becomes a long hand. You become an extension of my hand.
Correct.
So in other words, you're acting on my behalf. So your hand.
That's a terrible thing. You make me a shaliach to be mekadesh a woman.
That means
I did it.
You did it.
I'm married. I'm not
no. Your hand is my hand.
Okay.
So in other words, when your hand becomes my hand,
yes.
Yoda arichta means that your hand, my hand becomes your hand.
Yes, okay.
If you're my shliach.
And what's the third word?
And the third one is that the whole mitzias of the shliach becomes the mishaleach. Not just his hand becomes, or the mice.
Can you give us an illustration, my nafkamina?
It's a whole long sikh of the. It's a long shabbat. The gimel.
Can you prepare it by next Sunday?
Maybe.
Okay, so we'll be back here, you have it's fancy stuff.
It's fancy, and the Rav Shabbat goes into the whole thing. You become.
The Rav Shabbat was the only one I know that was able to answer 2 tshuvas at the same time with both pens.
Anyways,
we're coming back next week.
Stay tuned for the 3 dagas and shlichus.
Okay, thank you very much. How about Shemira, by the way?